Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matthew Conger and you are watching The Small Chef 11. So today guys, we're going to be showing you how to make a Big Mac. And this isn't going to be like the one you get at McDonald's. This one's going to be a little bit fancier and just a little bit different with our homemade Thousand Island dressing we made the other day. So I'm excited to make this for you guys. So let's get started. So I have my burgers here, my diced onions, my pickles, and my homemade Thousand Island dressing. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out so you can make this. Now, what we want to do next is season our ground beef patties. Now I'm going to add my pepper to it. Now I'm going to add my salt. Now we gotta flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so now that I've salt and peppered my meat, we are ready to start pan searing these. Now you guys can throw these on the grill if you want, but right now it's a little chilly outside, so I am not going to be cooking on the grill right now. Alright guys, I have added some oil to my pan, and if you take a look here, there's just a wee bit in there, not a lot, because you do not need a lot because the burgers have fat in them. Before you start cooking your burgers, make sure you put a dimple in the burger, and what I mean by that is you need to squish it in the middle on both sides, just like that. See there's a dimple? Make sure you do that. Make sure you do that for all your burgers. Now I'm going to show you guys what this looks like when it's finished, and then I'll show you how to assemble the sandwich. So now when we're waiting for our burgers to cook, we need to get these buns ready. And what do I mean by that? We need to either slice them and toast them. If your buns don't come pre-sliced, you gotta slice them and then we gotta toast them. Now there's two methods of toasting them. Number one is put them on the flame, as in put them in a pan and toast them with a little bit of oil, or just put it in your toaster. And most toasters these days have a bagel setting. So what you can do is put it in your toaster. So open up your bun, put it in the toaster, and what you want to do is you want to put it on the side that will heat this side only, and it'll warm up your bun quite nicely. You don't want it to get too crispy, but you want it to be GBD, golden brown and delicious. So I'm going to throw these in the toaster. I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Alright guys, so we're going to do it how McDonald's would do it. They usually put a middle bun in there, they call it, but this is just a bottom bun. If you really want that middle bun, you can put it in there if you'd like to make it like that. And I will show you guys how to do it with this middle bun, so you guys can do this at home to make your own homemade Big Mac. Here we got to put our mac sauce on here. So you put some on your bottom, then you put it on the middle bun. You need to put your lettuce on here. I'm not going to use shredded lettuce because it's not very healthy lettuce, and I prefer a spring mix. But typically it's shredded lettuce. Little spring mix there. Spring mix here. Then we need the pickles and the onions. And then we got to add our cheese. I'm just using cheddar cheese. So now you're going to do is take one hamburger. We'll put it on there. Then what you want to do is you want to take this bun, put it right on top like that. One more burger on top. Cheese. And there you go guys. There is a Big Mac. That thing looks huge. Now you guys can thin out your patties a lot more thinner if you want to, which I suggest, and that's how you'd make a Big Mac guys. It looks freaking delicious. I'd absolutely love this, so I hope you guys make this at home. That is how you make your Big Mac with your Thousand Island dressings, or mac sauce as you would call it. So I hope you guys end up making this. I mean, it was really good. I absolutely loved it. So please try it out at home. And guys, thank you for bearing with me so far. I'm just trying this out for the second time here in my new place I'm at. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe channel right over there. And if you're watching on Facebook, hit that blue button right up above. And you guys have an awesome day.